Hey, this is the Local Losers, Beau, Ronnie. Today we are going to be doing some stuff on the FunTruck. We're going to take the spare tire off and mount it in the bed instead of mounting it underneath the bed. We're going to mount it in the bed, like back against the cab. We're also going to cut the exhaust off. The last video that we shot ended up being a lot quieter than we had hoped. So we want the FunTruck to sound a little meaner. So we're just going to cut the exhaust off. We're going to cut the mufflers off and everything. We're going to see what a 351 Windsor sounds like completely open. So to get the tire down, it looks like you have to turn this thingy here and spin it out of this nut right here. I tried to do that a second ago and I almost cut my finger off. So I'm going to try to use a screwdriver to spin this instead of my hand. We're not going to mount the spare tire in the bed tonight because we're getting kind of low on light. I'm going to shoot a video of the exhaust that's on it now. Then we're going to cut it off, shoot another video, and see how loud this thing gets. I should do what?
Put stacks.
Put stacks on it,
Yeah.
like a bro?
Yeah, I think it'd be work for you. It's perfect.
So that was my 351 Windsor 91 F-150 with the quiet exhaust at about 4,000 to 4,500 RPMs. Let's cut it off and see how loud we can make it.
So the wheel on that grinder wasn't quite big enough around to go through the whole pipe. Beau said he was able to get about a third of the way through it. He's going to get his hacksaw. We'll see how that works.
So it's a day later and I managed to get the exhaust off of the FunTruck. This is what I'm left with. All this piping and what I assume is a factory catalytic converter. Took me a little bit of cutting, a little bit of finagling, but we got it off. Let's see how it sounds.
What's up, guys? It's Ronnie.
What's up, Beau?
We're the Local Losers. We're out here in Mexico where it actually looks like Mexico.
We're done with the FunTruck for now. It's nice and growly.
Hopefully you guys can hear that. Anyways, we're cruising. We're just gonna do some donuts or something for you guys. Like that.
So what we did is we got the tailgate off, we got the bumpers off, we got the spare out from underneath the truck, and we cut the exhaust off at about right after the first catalytic converter. The goal is to make the truck lighter and louder. Lighter so it's more nimble when we're driving around, sliding around in the desert, and louder just because it sounds better. this is Beau, and that's Ronnie. We just had a ton of fun shooting this video. We didn't break the truck, so that's good and bad, because, you know, breaking things means that we're sending it hard enough, so maybe we aren't. Next up, we are going to be fixing my mirrors, because I have this tiny mirror over here, and I have a big mirror over there. We're going to paint a little something on the side. We're not telling about that yet. It'll be a surprise unveiling or whatever. Anyways, we're going to do a stereo install. We're going to wire up the lights up front. We're probably going to put some interior lighting in because this light's pretty broke. What else are we going to do? Oh, we're going to hard mount the tire in the back. The spare tire is just kind of back there, so we're going to hard mount that. Hopefully we can think of more stuff to do. I don't know about engine modifications. It's pretty strong. It does what we need it to do, so that's pretty much it.
Nitrous.
Ronnie's been trying to talk me into doing like 100 shot of nitrous on this thing. I don't know about that yet, but we'll see. It sounds fun.
Well, thanks for riding with us, guys, and we'll see you next time.